Hello everyone, in today's video I will be going over how to use Spammer Sender v3. First, head to the config.json file. Here you can quickly configure your mail's content and SMTP details. You can add your SMTP in the SMTP_servers object. The sender also supports using multiple SMTPs. Be sure to separate each SMTP with a comma. Now I'll quickly fill in my SMTP details. The SMTP host name, username, port, and password are required. Next, head to email_details. Here you can set your mailing batch size. Choose true or false for puny code encoding, which I'll be using to spoof from spoofing.com. Now set your display name. I'll be using Spoof for this video. I'll set the display email and reply to email to spoof@spoofing.com. Then I'll add my mail subject. For this video, I will use Spammer test. Now we can set the image path, which will be embedded into our email later on. I'll use the Google logo for demonstration. Last, set the path for the email's HTML message. Here I'll add an image with the source set to CID embed. This will automatically embed the image path into our email's body. Now add the recipients into emails.txt. Each email should be separated by a new line. I'll confirm that my inbox is empty before sending the mail. Finally, I'll run the sender script and wait for the result to my inbox. As you can see, the mail has landed in my inbox. The contents were loaded from the HTML file and even embedded the logo without any external URL.